going early and he reaches under my arm. So before we reached over, gift wrap's real simple. Here he reaches under, yes, I can still gift wrap. But what I'm gonna do is continue to push his arm to the mat, come up into a technical mount with my knee behind his head, okay? Now look, if he's holding his hand, fine. Pull away at his wrist, see how his wrist bent there? Here. I keep my hand on his hand, all right? Now, this knee is heavy, so how am I gonna step over his head? Make it light. Here, okay? Lean back, make the slack out. Taking my knees in like this. I didn't even do anything with my hand other than when I had it initially. You want to 2-on-1 it? Pull some more slack out if you need to. I got a lot, I removed a lot of slack as I was going back. All right? So, back from the beginning. Here, he goes under. Keep pushing his hand down. Slide your knee up behind his head so he can't turn back to his back. Okay, now, take the arm. If you can't take the arm, there's ways to take the arm after you step over the head. There is. If he's got this in place, he's probably not going to go stop your leg from going over. Now the problem, the knee's heavy. If I shift weight over this leg here, the knee's real light. And I'm keeping this so he can't grab his hands. And look, there, here.